Now, One Law Group began in 1930 when a young attorney hung his shingle outside a small office in historic De Pere, Wisconsin.
The current team continues to bring that same passion and integrity to the table. John Shomish is here with an introduction to this business. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
John, first of all, what are the practice areas of the attorneys at One Law Group?
Well, we're a full-service law firm, so we do a lot of different things. We do criminal defense, we do family law, which includes divorce and child support. We do real estate, both transactional and litigation. We do elder law, wills and estate planning. I personally do personal injury and trial work. We have mediator and arbitrator on staff. So essentially, banking law, if you have it, corporate law, we can do it.
Okay, where are you located?
We just moved after, like you said, almost 90 years in De Pere. We're now at 2181 South Oneida Street, just about 6 blocks south of Lambeau Field.
Okay.
Let's talk about your two other offices, Appleton and Lakewood, too. You service those areas.
That's correct. I spend the majority of my time down in Appleton, and then we have an office up in Lakewood as well.
Let's talk a little bit, John, about your firm's core values.
Well, it's honesty, integrity, and communication. It's always a good joke where people say, oh, an honest lawyer. But the thing is if you communicate well with your clients, you tell them what to expect, you can give them the best case and worst case scenario, and then you pick a plan. And by planning, that works well. Now, the lawyers at the office, all of us do or the majority of us do litigation, so what we represent you in, we will also can take care of you in trial. But the old saw, an ounce of prevention is a pound of cure, goes back to the firm values, which are we take the client, we go through the different possibilities, and it's usually much more economical to plan in advance than it is to end up hiring me to go into court for you.
Sure.
Some of those areas are the parts of law that touch most of us. Wills, estates, trusts, planning, for all of that. Those are the areas that you can really help set people up for success.
Yes, and you know, you bring up wills and trust. You know, given the current health conditions in the country, I do some probate litigation, and over the years where I've seen a lot of people really get hit like a deer in the headlights is when they don't have a will, power of attorney, advance directive. So if you want to do something for your loved ones this Christmas season, get a will, get a trust, get all that done, so you don't have some loved one sitting there thinking, what the heck, do they want to stay alive? Do they want to do not resuscitate?
Yeah.
You know, that's putting a lot of pressure on people. And that's something that is relatively inexpensive to do, and we have some really excellent elder law and trust and estate lawyers on staff.
You mentioned your specialty is personal injury. What is your approach to these kinds of cases?
Well, with personal injury, again, you really need to talk to people. It's better if you're in a wreck, even if you don't think you're hurt or you're wondering what to do, to call, get your medical care, of course, but call an attorney before you call the insurance company. The insurance companies are trained to do things, and they will get information from you, and you may not have to even provide that information. So again, ounce of prevention, pound of cure. Better to be prepared and not be caught blindsided.
Right.
Well, as mentioned, that new location for One Law Group is on Oneida Street in Green Bay. They have those satellite offices in Appleton and Lakewood.
And you can find more at onelawgroup.com. Thank you, John.
Thank you.